homeowner in Sunnyvale reached out after living in the same house for almost 40 years. The home had served their family well, but time had caught up with it. The layout was dated, there were multiple additions done over the years, and several parts of the home had been built without permits decades ago. Fixing everything properly would have required a major renovation. They were planning to downsize and didn't want to spend months fixing things just to sell. We walked through the house together and made them a straightforward cash offer. No open houses, no staging, no repairs. We also told them they could leave behind anything they didn't want to move, old furniture, garage items, tools, even boxes they had been meaning to sort through for years. They packed what mattered to them and moved on to the next chapter. For us, it became the start of a full transformation project. For them, it meant a clean and simple transition.